Hello and welcome to Crystal Crafts with Dee. Today I'd like to show you a couple of diamond paintings that I got from dotsdirect.com.au. They are Diamond Dotz and Dots Direct. He's got a great website and he just gets this stuff out so quickly. I placed my order, it was sent that day and I got it 5 days later, and there was a weekend in the middle there too, so that's pretty impressive. And one other thing I like about ordering from him is that with every order he usually throws in a pair of scissors. So I got this pair of scissors and they're great. They're really sharp and I love using them for my embroidery and stuff like that. They're just beautiful, beautiful scissors. He sells them on his website as well as some lighting lamps and that sort of thing for doing this sort of stuff. So check him out. He's got a great website. Anyway, I will get started with this one here, Fern Fox. I have been wanting Fern Fox for a long time, and I finally bought it. Here's an intermediate, and it comes in this. They come in these boxes, and they protect your diamond paintings so well when they get shipped and that. And I love how it shows you what the finished product's going to look like, and it's got some great info on there. So on one side it has here your design area. Design size is 52 by 32 centimeters and your fabric size is 60 by 40. And on the other side it shows you your actual drill area. So it is a partial drill. Is it a partial drill? I think it's a full drill. Anyway, 22 colors. So we'll get in and have a look. It comes sealed. And I usually do this before I do my filming. So you've got your canvas. You've got your drills. Ooh. So your canvas comes in these plastic sleeves. Plastic sleeve is great because it keeps your diamond painting free from dust and moisture and that sort of thing. And also you get somewhere in here. So with all Diamond Dotz, you get an instruction sheet in color, and it's got all different languages. So we want to see this. It is a full drill. Oh, that's interesting. I didn't think it was. I just love it. I've got a thing for foxes. I love foxes. I absolutely loved it. Like I said, I've been wanting it for ages, and he had it on special, and I thought, well, it's just so going to happen then if it's on special. So what I'll do is I will roll it backwards so it sits flat. I can do this because it is a poured glue. You cannot do this if it is a double-sided tape. Poured glue, you can. There we go. Down there. Isn't that just, it's just precious. I just love it. I love the colors. I love the whole thing. So with your Diamond Dotz, all your canvases have this beautiful scalloped edging, and your canvas is lovely and soft and pliable, and it is, normally you do not need to put them under books, that sort of thing. So what I'll do after this is I will take the plastic off and put it back on again and make sure it's all flat, and that way the canvas will relax and flatten out by itself. And what I love about that is that you can start drilling your Diamond Dotz as soon as you want. There's no waiting, putting it under books and that sort of thing. So I love that. So anyway, what I'll do is, if I can get him to stay flat, I'll zoom in so you can have a look at that drill field. So their drill field is very clear. Oh, that's crystal clear. Beautifully printed. Easy to see. And the grid is perfectly spaced so that you have room between your drills and there's no popping. Their drills are beautiful and uniform, beautifully cut, and they pick up the light. They're just gorgeous. So you can see there's going to be no issues, and I won't even need a light pad. And this is a great size to work on as well. Isn't that just gorgeous? So I'll bring you over to the symbol key. There's a symbol key on your top left-hand corner and your bottom right-hand corner. And it very clearly shows your symbols and your Diamond Dotz number. So there's a fair few colors in there. Beautiful colors. Isn't it just gorgeous? So I'll zoom you back out again. No, out, not in. Out. Alright. Flip her over, we'll have a look at those drills. So in this bag, you can reuse this bag if you wanted to, because it's resealable. If I can get into it. Okay. Oh gosh. Off. So these are drills, beautiful colors, and your toolkit. So your toolkit has your standard drill tray and your squidgy thingy, comfort grip, and your container of wax, a single placer drill pen, and some resealable bags. And your drills. So you got some pretty red. I take it these three are your background color. Yep. I love how it's full drill. I really thought that was printed in the background, but it's not. Some lovely greys. So he'll have some good definition in his face there with those greys. Got some black and some pretty yellows. It's got an AB there, so it's got an AB coating on it to give it extra sparkle and shine. Yellows, oranges. Wow, look at all the oranges. True to red. Pretty colors. And you've got some really dark green there and some different shades of green as well. Really pretty colors. So that is my Fern Fox. Gosh, I love that. Alright, on to the next one. Next one. So next one you've got Quiet Moment. It is an intermediate as well, and it's a bit bigger than the other one. Again, in your box. Nice sturdy box. Oh, on the back too, it gives you instructions on how to diamond paint. A bit more information about what's in the box, etc. Suitable for ages 8 to 80. So you've got on the side there, it's got your design area and your design size, which is 42 by 52 centimeters, and your fabric size is 50 by 60. And on the other side of your box, it actually shows you the drill area, which is, it is a partial round drill painting, and there's 27 colors in it. So we'll get into this. One canvas, one packet of drills, there. So again, your diamond painting comes in a plastic sleeve. And it should have the, there you go, your directions. Yeah, which way's up? So again, you have your design, size, your fabric size, and the name of your diamond painting. Scalloped edges as well. And there is your canvas. Oh, that's really lovely. Gee, that's better than I thought. It's got quite a big drill area, actually. Oh, that's gorgeous. So again, I'm going to roll it backwards again so it can sit flat. It's a bit too big for my table. Again, it's got to be poured glue if you're going to do this. Oh. So again, I'll be taking the plastic off of this and putting it back on again so that it sits a bit more flat and the canvas can relax. But also by doing that, I'm going to be checking over the canvas, making sure that there's no problems with the glue, or there's sometimes with no matter where you get your diamond paintings from or who makes them, sometimes you will see a little bit of fluff get in that glue area or something like that. So I always check these as soon as I get them and check the drills, check the number of drills, make sure I got all of them, all the bags, because sometimes things happen, and if you wait, 6 to 12 months before you actually get in there and check, a lot of times it's a bit too late to chase that up. So I do always check. So anyway, let's bring them around this way. So that's really lovely. Gee, I like that. All right, I'll zoom you in and we'll have a look at that drill field. Here we go. So you can see that your drill field is nice and clear and easy to see, even though you've got a lot of browns and you've got symbols where it's black writing on the dark background. That makes it a little bit more challenging, but I don't think it's going to be too hard to see. And I'll probably be using a light pad anyway, so it won't be any issue. And I like how when they do print the symbols on there, they're nice and clear. I don't know how many times I've had diamond paintings in the past from other suppliers where the print has not been clear. And it makes it really hard to do your diamond painting if you can't read the symbols. But I think this is perfect. I've never had any problem with Diamond Dotz. I can't even see if that's in focus. Anyway, that looks great. We'll have a look at the printed background. I think that's gorgeous. That is really pretty, and I like how the colors balance out too. You got your reds and your whites and your blues and your greens to sort of balance out the earthy colors and the colors of the deer. That's pretty. I'll bring you around to the symbol key. So there's your symbol key there. It's got your symbol and your Diamond Dotz drill color number. Pretty easy to see. No issues there. And also one thing that I really do love about Diamond Dotz, if you can see it there, the drills don't go all the way to the end of the canvas. They actually go to just before the end of the canvas, and then they have that printed area that goes all the way along your diamond painting, and I think it just gives it a really lovely finish. Nice blending. It looks brilliant. You can see in the corner there. Where's the corner? Yeah, you can see there how they've printed it around the sides there. It makes it just so much nicer. Okay, so I will zoom you back out again. There we go. And we'll flip him over and have a look at those drills. So you have your drills, very pretty. And again, you've got your standard toolkit, your squishy thing, your wax, drill tray, drill pen, single placer, and some Ziploc bags. And your drill, so you've got some lovely reds and browns. Got some beiges. Nice soft colors. You got him on his own. Got some lovely soft greys. Really pretty colors. So with all these different browns and that, you're going to get some lovely definition in that deer. I've got some nice light blues. Another light blue, and you've got some white AB there, so you've got some extra sparkle. AB coating on that. You've got some pinks and some reds. And that green is AB as well, so I love it when they do that. It really just, you know, makes the finish of your diamond painting look just so much better. And there's some lovely greens. Very nice colors. So there you go, there's my quiet moment. Oh yeah, it says AB on it too. I didn't see that. AB. That's going to look so lovely. That's gorgeous. Alright, there's my quiet moment. And the Fern Fox. Two of my latest diamond paintings that I got from dotsdirect.com.au. Check them out. Really good to deal with. Great selection. And yeah, gee, he gets your orders out so fast. And the communication's good too. So if he's got any issues, he'll let you know right away. So you're sort of not wondering what's going on. Very, very good to deal with. So there's my latest Diamond Dotz diamond paintings. I cannot wait to get started on these guys, and keep an eye out for them. I'll be doing a works in progress right through to review in a separate video further on down the track, so keep an eye out for those guys. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching my video, and I will catch you next time. Bye!